Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another Lightroom tutorial video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to edit your photos like Drake's Instagram profile picture, this one in particular. It looks like it was shot on film, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this with Lightroom mobile. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into this video. So guys, this is the photo that we're working with today. I'm going to leave it linked in the description in case you guys want to follow along with this tutorial, right? Now without further ado, let's hop into this. So first of all, we're going to move to the light panel and we're just going to take the shadows up to 26. 26. Then we're going to move the blacks down to minus 37. Okay. Then we're going to move to the curve panel, and all you have to do is copy this curve that I've made. So you're just going to take the shadows up a little bit. You're going to move the blacks down slightly. You're going to move the whites up just a little bit, and you're going to leave the highlights where they are. So once you're done copying this curve, you click on done, and then we're going to move to the color panel and move the temperature down to -3. Okay, -3. Okay, -3. Then we're going to move to mix. Now we're going to take the saturation of orange down to -22. Okay, now we're going to move to blue, and we're going to take the saturation down to -60. Okay, and we're going to click on done. Now we're going to move to the grading panel to work on the shadows. So you're just going to take your shadows to 176 and you're going to take the saturation to 16. It's a bit difficult to navigate, so take your time with this and make sure you get it correct. And once you're done, you click on done, and then we're going to move to the effects panel. So now we're on the effects panel, and what we're going to do is we're going to take down the clarity to -24, and we're going to bump up the grain a little bit. So first, clarity down to -24. And let's see, -24, and then we're going to take the grain up to 15. Okay, and we're done with this edit, guys. So one thing you should keep in mind is that this is very subjective, right? Some people might prefer to have much more grain in the picture, so you can decide to take the grain up to 65. You can decide to make the saturation of the blue a bit higher. It all depends on your preference, right? But this is the basis of this edit. Alright guys, we come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like down below, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, don't forget to also share this channel with your family and friends. I really appreciate it, your classmates and all. Let's grow the channel together. And guys, don't also forget to follow me on Instagram at Daniel Are. That's Daniel with 3 L's and A-R-E. I'm going to leave it linked in the description below. Guys, thanks for supporting me, thanks for coming back and sticking by me. I'm not going to miss my Friday releases anymore. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.